And welcome back everyone. I'm back on the Mac and this is my fourth part looking at the accessibility options. I currently looked at voiceover, zoom and display. Lastly, I want to look at the spoken content options so you can have anything read back to you, be it in Word documents online by using a shortcut key. Change the speed, the voice if you wish as well. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. First you need to go to your system preferences. Now if you're new on the Mac, it's in the bottom here in the dock. Or top left hand corner select Apple and System Preferences. Depending on what iOS you have, the display might look a little bit different in here, System Preferences. But it's all the same options. You can type Accessibility up here or select it there to bring it up. Now I'm down to the fourth option, which was Spoken Content. Currently you can see System Voice have Serena. Let's have a little listen.
Hello, my name is Serena. I am a British English voice.
Now you've got more voices on the drop down menu here by selecting Customize. Scroll down. Now if you're from the UK, a lot of people tend to use a Moira the Irish voice or the Scottish Fiona because they're really easy to listen to and soft. But again, Kate's not too bad if I select play.
Hello, my name is Kate. I am a British English voice.
But I always feel like she's telling me off. Reminds me of school. But again, you've got different languages in there and everything as well that you can play around with. So have a little listen and download them. There's no limit to the amount you can download. Once you have your voice, you have the speaking rate here from left to right to change the speed. Again, you have to play a document to get that right for yourself. Now underneath, we have speak announcements. Now I'm going to select option quickly. So currently, any speak announcements, use System Voice or use Serena. I prefer to use Serena. So when actually computer talks back to you, it might say you need to do updates. You can choose a specific voice for that to do that for you. Sometimes it pops up, doesn't it? So you haven't done updates for 242 days. Then you've got phrase, application name. Again, you have to play around with this when you actually start using it. You can have random from the phrase list down here that will bring up application name, attention, pardon me. Or you can edit that by choosing. You can even add your own one. You could put a rude one there, couldn't you? Yeah, you could put some naughty words in there, couldn't you, as well, if you wanted to play around with that. Click OK. Now, speak selection, really important. Select options. You don't want to have to keep going to the settings. You'd rather create a shortcut key. Now, I use Control S on my Mac because it doesn't seem to interfere with any other shortcut. Unless you've got another application that might use that, for example. But on my Mac, I haven't. So I use Control S and whatever I highlight will read back in any document. Now I can choose to highlight the content, words, sentences, or words and sentences as it's reading. I can choose my word color again. I'll leave it on default. I think default's blue. Sentence color, so it highlights the sentence and the word it's reading so you can really focus on it. Again, sentence style, you can leave that if you want, or background color if you wish. And show controller, I always leave that automatic and click OK. So that's your options there. Next, speak item under the pointer. Now you might want stuff spoke back to you with the pointer so you know exactly what it is. So again, that's all working with speech to text. So it's got there, speak item under the pointer always. Now that can be good or off-putting if you're moving around a lot. And you might only want that if you're using the zoom in options to do that as you zoom in if you have got visual impairment. Speech verbosity, on this I'm going to leave it low because I don't want too much read back to me. I want to keep it as quick as possible. But you can press the control key to stop that reading back to you, by the way, as well, if it's driving you up the wall. Click OK. Last of all, speak typing feedback. Click options. As you're typing a Word document or application, it will echo back each character you type. That can be really handy if you want to make sure that you're getting the correct letters in or words. But if not, untick it. This will echo back every word you type in any document. And again, preference is down to you if you wish to have that. And click OK. So let's give it a go. So first I'm going to the internet, grab something and see if we can read back on the internet first. Now let's maximise that. I'll go to anywhere. Let's go to Wikipedia, shall we, as an example. Open the top link. Now we'll use that shortcut key, remember? Control plus S. So what I'll do first is highlight the text. And now I'm going to hit Control plus S.
Wikis are enabled by wiki software, otherwise known as wiki engines. A wiki engine, being a form of a content management system, differs from a...
And hit Control S, the same shortcut key to stop it. And that seems to work quite well. If you have trouble with shortcut keys or using the keys, you could always just highlight it. 2-finger tap on your trackpad, and then you've got an option down here called speech, and you can start speaking and stopping it that way as well if you wish. So now I'm going to try it in a Word document. I need some text in there to work with. So I'm going to click equal, RAND, open and close bracket, click the enter key. Now what I'm going to do is highlight some text again and use the shortcut key, Control S.
Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. When you click online video, you can paste in the embed
And pause it. And if you notice when you use this option, you get this little bar pop up, which is really handy because then you can change the settings, speed quickly, slow it down, or speed it up, or pause it, which I just did,
Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point.
and click stop. So there's a quick overview of using the speech to text options. Thanks for watching.